On June 16, 2026, just yesterday, Jensen Huang flew to Sherman, Texas. He didn't go to a chip fab. He didn't go to a GPU lab. He went to a laser factory, and he broke ground on what may be one of the most important manufacturing facilities in the future of artificial intelligence. The factory belongs to a company called Coherent, and Nvidia just invested $2 billion into it. That's not a supply agreement. That's not a partnership announcement. That is Nvidia writing a $2 billion check and flying its CEO to Texas to personally break ground on the facility, because the technology being built inside that factory may determine how fast AI can actually scale, not the GPUs, the light. Jensen Huang has said it clearly. The amount of silicon photonics capacity the world needs today is substantially higher than what actually exists. And that gap, that shortage of light-speed data infrastructure, is the story most investors are not yet tracking. Today on Future AI Stocks, I'm John A.G., and we're going to walk through exactly what AI photonics is, why Jensen Huang is treating it as one of Nvidia's most critical infrastructure investments, and two stocks that analysts are paying attention to as this technology builds out, with real data, real sourcing, and real context. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Before we get to the stocks, you need to understand the problem being solved, because this is a story about physics, not just finance. Here's the simplest version. Inside every AI data center, there are thousands of GPUs working together on massive computations. These chips are extraordinarily powerful. But here's the problem that is increasingly becoming obvious to everyone building AI infrastructure at scale. Those chips need to talk to each other constantly. Every token generated, every query answered, every layer of a neural network computed requires enormous volumes of data moving between chips, between racks, and between systems at extreme speed. And for decades, that data has been traveling through copper wires. Copper works. But copper has limits. When you pack hundreds of GPUs into a single system, like Nvidia's NVL576 rack, which contains 576 GPUs working in concert, the electrical signals traveling through copper start to create heat, latency, and energy consumption problems that become increasingly difficult to manage. Imagine building the world's fastest supercar and then putting it on a traffic jam highway. The engine is powerful, but if the road can't carry the speed, the performance is wasted. That's essentially what happens in modern AI data centers when copper becomes the bottleneck. The GPUs sit there capable of extraordinary computation, but they end up waiting for data to arrive. The solution that Jensen Huang and Nvidia are now aggressively betting on is photonics. Instead of moving data through electrical signals in copper, you move it through light, through fiber optic cables and optical chips called co-packaged optics, or CPO. Light moves faster than electrical signals. It generates less heat. It consumes dramatically less power. And at scale, across an AI factory with hundreds of thousands of GPU connections, the energy savings become enormous. Nvidia has committed at least $6.5 billion into photonics companies in the past 3 months alone. That number is not a rounding error. That is a strategic declaration that the highway of light is not a future technology story. It is a now technology story. ID Tech X is forecasting a 37% compound annual growth rate for co-packaged optics from 2026 to 2036. That's one of the most aggressive growth projections in the entire semiconductor supply chain. And that is the environment the two companies we're covering today are operating in. Let's start with the most direct beneficiary of everything we just discussed, Coherent Corp, ticker COHR. Coherent is one of the world's leading photonics companies. Founded in 1971, they design and manufacture the optical components, lasers, and communication systems that form the backbone of high-speed data transmission. If light-based data transfer is the highway, Coherent is one of the primary companies building the road. But what moved Coherent from an interesting photonics company to one of the most strategically important names in AI infrastructure happened on March 2, 2026, when Nvidia announced a formal multi-year strategic partnership and backed it with a $2 billion direct investment into Coherent. This is not a supply agreement. This is Nvidia directly funding Coherent's research and development, its manufacturing capacity expansion, and its ability to build out US-based production of indium phosphide, the material used to manufacture the semiconductor lasers inside next-generation optical chips. The partnership gives Nvidia access to multiple product families tied to co-packaged optics, the technology that physically integrates photonic components directly into the chip package rather than connecting them externally. This is considered foundational foundational infrastructure for next-generation AI factories. And then, on June 16th, just this week, Jensen Huang personally flew to Coherent's Sherman, Texas facility and broke ground on their expanded fab. The first 6-inch indium phosphide mass production line in the world is being built there. This is a manufacturing milestone that has not existed anywhere on Earth before, and Nvidia is there with them. Now let's look at what the financial performance actually looks like. Coherent Q3 fiscal 2026 results, reported May 6, 2026. Revenue of $1.81 billion, up 21% year over year. Non-GAAP earnings per share of $1.41, up 55% year over year. Non-GAAP gross margin 39.6%, expanding 105 basis points year over year. Data center and communications revenue, which is the AI-driven segment, rose 33.6% in Q2 and has been accelerating each quarter. Management noted that bookings reached record levels, and backlog now extends into 2028. The CEO of Coherent, Jim Anderson, said on the earnings call, "Management expects fiscal year 2027 revenue growth to exceed fiscal year 2026 growth." That means the acceleration is projected to continue, not slow down. CPO revenue for scale-out applications is expected to begin in the second half of calendar 2026. Scale-up CPO revenue, the larger, more complex systems inside AI racks, is expected to begin in the second half of 2027. That suggests the largest revenue opportunity has not yet hit the income statement. One important context note for investors: 17 out of 22 analysts covering Coherent currently rate the stock a buy. The stock has risen significantly, up roughly 62% year to date as of late April, and some sources indicate the stock may be trading near or above consensus price targets. That means expectations are already elevated. Executing on the CPO ramp cleanly is now the bar the market is watching. For viewers researching Coherent, the investment case is straightforward. Nvidia needs this company, has invested $2 billion into it, flew its CEO to break ground on a new factory, and the financial results are accelerating. The risk is equally clear. The stock is not cheap, and the CPO revenue has not yet fully materialized. Analysts are watching whether execution matches the valuation. But as a direct photonics play with the most visible strategic endorsement in the AI supply chain right now, Coherent is one of the most analytically discussed names in this space. Here's the part of the photonics story that most investors overlook entirely. And it's the part that may actually determine whether this entire technology shift succeeds. Faster optical communication inside AI data centers is only half the equation. Because when you take a traditional data center and start upgrading it to photonics, when you start running 576 GPU racks, co-packaged optics, and AI factory-scale infrastructure, the power consumption of the entire facility goes up dramatically. More GPUs, more optical components, more compute density per square foot. All of it requires more electrical power, more reliable power distribution, more sophisticated cooling, and more advanced power management systems. Think of it this way. If Coherent builds the data highway, someone has to keep the entire city powered. That company is Eaton Corporation, ticker ETN. Eaton is an industrial power management company that supplies electrical infrastructure to data centers, utilities, and industrial facilities across 180 countries. Most people think of them as an industrial company, but their latest financial results look increasingly like an AI infrastructure company. Let's go through Q1 2026, reported May 5th, 2026. Total Q1 sales, $7.5 billion. A first quarter record, up 17% year over year. Electrical Americas segment, the division most tied to data centers, posted record sales of $3.6 billion, up 20% year over year. Organic sales rose 10% overall. But the number that stands out most is not the revenue, it's the orders. Electrical Americas orders rose 42% on a rolling 12-month basis, driven entirely by data center momentum. Data center orders within that segment specifically accelerated 240% in Q1 2026 compared to the prior year, not 24%, not 2.4%, 240%, and Eaton's total Electrical Americas backlog at the end of March 2026 was up 44% compared to March 2025. Electrical global backlog was up 73% year over year. That backlog number is critical. Backlog means future committed revenue that has already been ordered but not yet delivered. A 44% to 73% increase in backlog means Eaton's growth has significant visibility extending into 2027 and beyond. Why is this tied to photonics specifically? Because the same AI infrastructure build-out that is driving optical interconnect demand is the same build-out that requires massive power infrastructure upgrades. Every new AI data center needs distribution systems, transformers, uninterruptible power supplies, and increasingly, liquid cooling systems. On that front, Eaton recently closed its acquisition of Boyd Thermal, a company that provides liquid cooling solutions for high-density computing environments. This acquisition directly expands Eaton's addressable market per data center megawatt from approximately $2.9 million to $3.4 million. That is a 17% increase in revenue they can capture from every unit of AI infrastructure that gets deployed. Eaton has also announced a formal collaboration with Nvidia around what they're calling a grid-to-chip AI factory infrastructure platform, meaning Eaton is now directly integrated into the Nvidia AI factory design stack alongside Coherent. Full year 2026 guidance, EPS of $10.88 to $11.33 per share, with organic growth guidance raised to 10% at the midpoint. Analysts project revenues approaching $39.5 billion by 2029 as the data center build-out continues. Eaton's investment case is different from Coherent's. It's not a pure-play photonics company. It's a large industrial company with diversified revenue across aerospace, utilities, and industrial markets. That diversification means it is less volatile than a pure-play photonics name, but also means AI data centers are one driver among several. The risk to watch: Eaton's earnings per share softened slightly year over year even as revenue grew, indicating that the cost of ramping capacity, integrating acquisitions like Boyd Thermal, and building a new Nebraska switchgear plant is absorbing near-term margin pressure. Management has guided that this pressure peaks in Q1 2026 and improves from there. Whether that plays out is what analysts will be watching through 2026. But as a power infrastructure angle on the AI photonics build-out, Eaton is one of the most financially substantial names in this space, with order data that suggests the demand cycle is still accelerating. Let me give you the frame that ties everything together. AI hardware performance depends on 3 layers operating simultaneously. Layer 1, processing power, the GPS, the accelerators, the compute chips. Most investors already understand this layer. They know Nvidia, they know the chip race. Layer 2, data movement. This is the photonics layer, the optical interconnects, co-packaged optics, and laser systems that move data between chips and between racks at light speed. This is what Coherent is building. This is what Nvidia's $6.5 billion investment is targeting. And this is the layer that has not been fully priced into most investors' understanding of the AI supply chain. Layer 3, power infrastructure. Every AI data center runs on electricity. As AI systems scale, the power demands scale with them. This is Eaton's territory, the grid-to-chip infrastructure that keeps the entire ecosystem operational. All 3 layers have to work together. If any one of them becomes a bottleneck, the entire system slows down. The most powerful GPUs in the world sit idle if they cannot receive data fast enough, and they go dark entirely without reliable power. That's the frame for both stocks we covered today. Before we wrap, the risks, because this is what helps you make better decisions. Risk 1. Photonics is still an emerging category. Co-packaged optics are not yet widely deployed at commercial scale. The technology is real, the investments are real, but actual volume deployment at AI scale is still ramping. Adoption timelines could be longer than current market expectations. Risk 2. High valuations after significant stock runs. Coherent is up significantly in 2026. Both stocks carry elevated expectations. Any execution miss on the CPO ramp or data center spending slowdown could create meaningful volatility. Risk 3. Data center spending concentration. Both companies are heavily exposed to a relatively small number of hyperscale customers: Microsoft, Meta, Google, Amazon. If 1 or 2 major players meaningfully slow their AI infrastructure spending, it ripples through the entire supply chain. Risk 4. Rapid technology shifts. The photonics standards being built today are still evolving. Future architectural decisions from Nvidia, from Broadcom, from AMD could shift which specific components become dominant in the next generation of AI infrastructure. These are real risks. They're why understanding what you own matters more than any trend headline. That's the full breakdown, and 2 stocks analysts are paying attention to as AI photonics moves from a future story to an active infrastructure build-out in June 2026. If this gave you a clearer picture of how the AI supply chain actually works below the GPU level, hit the like button. It genuinely helps future AI stocks reach more people who want research instead of hype. Drop a comment below. Which of these 2 angles interests you more? the direct photonics play with Coherent, or the power infrastructure angle with Eaton. I read every single comment. If you're not subscribed yet, now is the time. Hit subscribe and turn on that notification bell. We cover the AI investment themes that actually matter every single week. I'm John A.G. I'll see you in the next one.